Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesus. Welcome back to another detailing video. Today we got a Chevy Cruze. As you guys see in the before shots, the car wasn't really that dirty, but there were a couple stains on the seats that the client wanted me to take out and a couple stains on the carpet. So you guys know what that means. We're gonna go ahead and pull out the extractor and pick up those stains. If you guys don't already know, I post 1 to 2 videos weekly, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell button. That way it'll notify you whenever I post a new video in the future. So to start off, I went ahead and removed all the personal items that the client left inside of the car. After that, I went ahead and started vacuuming everything up, picking up as much dirt as I can before I pull out the extractor. So now, the moment everybody loves, we're gonna go ahead and begin to extract the carpet. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some carpet solution along the carpet, also agitating it with a drill brush, and then beginning to extract. If you guys aren't following me yet on Instagram, after this video, go ahead and go on Instagram and follow at High Grade Detailing, because that's where I post most of the details that I do outside of YouTube and sneak peeks for YouTube videos. Thank you. I don't know about you guys, but while I'm editing this video and seeing all that dirt just go up the extractor and also leaving like a half and half clean and dirty trail is actually really satisfying to see. So here it is, guys, me dumping all the dirty and grimy water that was pulled up from the extractor. So to start the floor mats, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick vacuum, sucking up as much dirt as I can before we start extracting again. So now with our Suds Box interior cleaner and a microfiber rag, we're going to go ahead and clean all the door panels and the center console, also the steering wheel, removing up any dust before we apply our UV protection. If you guys are wondering what UV protection that I use Armor All Ultra Shine. It gives it a deep wet shine to all the panels and also protection from any UV rays that the sun gives inside the car. So here are the after shots. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up and also subscribe and press the bell button so you don't miss any videos in the future. Thank you.